Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Aronium. First, you'll want to download the Aronium software directly from their official website. Once downloaded, simply run the installer. Follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. During this initial setup, you'll also have the opportunity to select your preferred language and currency settings, making the system tailored to your needs right from the start. After installation, the next crucial step is configuring your database. For most small businesses, a local database is the ideal choice, offering simplicity and efficiency. You'll then input your store's essential details, such as its name, address, and contact information. Don't forget to set up your specific tax rates and the various payment methods you plan to accept, ensuring smooth transactions for your customers. Now, let's populate your Aronium system with your products. Head over to the Products section, where you can begin adding each item individually. You'll input key details like the product's name, its selling price, and assign it to an appropriate category. It's also vital to manage your inventory levels here, keeping track of stock for each product. For faster checkout, remember to assign unique barcodes to your items. Finally, you're ready to use the point-of-sale interface for your daily operations. This is where you'll process sales, handle returns, and apply any discounts with ease. Aronium also offers robust reporting features, allowing you to generate various reports to analyze your sales performance and inventory trends. Remember, regularly backing up your database is a critical step to safeguard all your valuable business information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.